You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with linear inequalities with one unknown. The final result is z smaller than -3. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Expand the parentheses. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all constants on the right side of the inequality. Subtract 7 from both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the z. Divide both sides by 8.8. Simplify the arithmetic. Plot the solution on a coordinate grid. And so the final result is z smaller than -3.